What's up, Gunpla Modelers? This is Spider2K2, and today we are going to be doing a Let's Build of the Gundam Exia Repair 2. And if this darn tripod would cooperate. And anyway, we're going to be building him. I'm going to be doing these in segments. It's not going to be like my Master Grade where I'm going to do a video for each part. That's not going to be it for this occasion. I'm actually going to be doing, I'm going to start off with the head, and then I'm going to cut off where the head is, and yeah, you've probably seen other videos do it, so I'm going to do my best doing it. Anyway, here we go. This is the head. Yeah, let's start building him. Alright, just to show you, I've already pre-applied the decal, and pretty much take a clear piece and slap it on top. Repeat on this side, like so. They stay in there, or not. I got proven wrong, but I think I know how they stay in, actually. You just hold them like that for now, and then you just take these pieces. They help hold it in, it looks like. So you just take it where it lines up with the T, and there you go. Now it won't go anywhere. And repeat on the other side, like so. And more piece. And you just take these two pieces, combine them, like so, and then just line them up. I think I got this right. I'll do it on this side because it wants to agree with me on this side, it seems. There we go. Like so. And then like so. There we go. That works, and then slap the little V-fin on, and then you got the head. And now, let's continue with the body. Alright, here's what tells me to take these two, slap them together, like so. Not just are on each other. It tells you to do this in advance, or in the before it, but I've already did it. It's the sticker sheet. I want you to put the darker one in front, like so, and then put the cap over it somehow. There we go. Like so. Then on the back here, like this, line it up so. Line it up like so. There we go. And put it in like that. One where blades are facing that way or something like that. Like it's a chainsaw or something. And then take this piece, line it up, and there you got your GN drive. Now put this piece on, like so. Take this piece. I'm just reading the instructions. Okay, we're good. And just slide it right there. And then pretty much put them together. Like so. And take these pieces and slide them in. Like that. And there it is. Take these pieces and just stick them in there. I'll be coloring these when I get the chance, but there we go. Then you just slide the whole gene drive in there, like so. Then take the head, pop it on. Or bobble there, or whatever. And onto the arms. I've already got them out, as you can see. And let's see. Like so. Into here, like so. Take this. Slide it in like so. Combined. And slip on top. And then just plug in for now. That's one. Humming helps me focus. So, here we go. Humming, whistling, whatever. And just plug it in like so. And you just plug it into the arms like so. And there's that problem that Prime 92 was mentioned. They fall out. Well, in a Quanta review, but in this review, they fall out too. Anyway, on to the waist. And here we go. Tells me to take these two pieces, slap them on, so. And you're supposed to have it like this first, and then bring it down. And take these parts, that one running away on you. Like that. And have it fall on you. No, not really. Up. Make sure that the smaller end goes into the smaller. And the big end goes into the big. Like that. And that is the waist. Like so. And without his arms falling out, onto the legs. During my production, I forgot to do something, and I'll just show you. Like, it's pretty simple with this one, but anyway, You just take that, take the poly cap, pop it into position, take the foot, these two pieces, line them up so, and pop it down, and take this piece, line up like so, like that, then slide this onto there like so, and then you got yourself a leg that goes flying. Now I'll show it on this side. This is pretty much the same thing. You just throw these two together, and just ignore my rambling whenever I stutter. Alright, pop this onto here like so. And just throw this down like so. Pop it on. And take this, line it up, and slide it on. And you just take the guy, pop the legs on. And just make sure. There we go. Oh. Anyway, sorry about that. I had pieces falling off on me. That will be fixed once I am done doing it right now. There he is in all his SD glory. But we're not done. He's missing something, isn't he? That's right, we forgot to build his sword. So, pretty simple. Pop that there. And throw that there. And then just throw this on. And that's it. Put in his arm. Extend it first. Then put his arm. And there we go. SD repair. I said at the beginning of my video that I will be doing custom painting to this. I won't do it tonight, but there will be a follow-up video to this at one point. But there is one thing I do want to show off that is come with this kit. It is a kind of thing. But yeah, I looked at this and it's like an interesting little add-on that they want you to do. So I'll do it right here. Pretty much take all the pieces that were from the regular Exia and put it on this thing. Sounds simple enough, doesn't it? Pretty much take the short one. Like so. I should take the shorter, or take the long one, put it down here. Take the short one and put it right there, like so. Take this big honking one. Just be like that. And take these blue pieces slide them in. Like so. And you plug this into the back. And take this little guy. Plug him right there. And with the shield, slide it on top. And then you got a little sled riding thing for him. You can either put it in his arm, like so. Like so. Or, since he loves having his arm pop out so much on me tonight, oh, that's why I didn't push him all the way in. There we go. And I'm having things fall left and right on me. And then you just take this guy, spread his legs out a little bit. Saying he just stands on here. Somehow. I'm guessing like that. Anyway. There's Exia in his SD form. And here's his two little beam swords, short and long. Very cool. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but on here it does say Gundam right there. That's a nice little feature. Anyway, and let me extend his sword. That's all I'll have him shown off. Anyway, that's SD Gundam Exia Repair 2. Thank you, and hopefully our next review will be either one of these two. Either the Quanta or the Wing Gundam. Alan Walt's version. I would say you choose, but I'll choose this time. Because they look pretty badass either way. Anyway, thanks again, and catch you next time.